What's up, all you Java suckers? My name is Game Over, and welcome back to Assassin's Creed 3! Now, I did something that I told myself I would never do in my life. I looked up something about this game that is later on in the game, which is, how do I get a boat in this game? But, I'm very sorry for it, but it is actually one of the natural missions. I don't know which mission that is. All I know is that somewhere in sequence 3. So, I just need to keep on going until I reach sequence 3. Anyway, we're at the exact same spot as in the last episode. So, let's get down to business. What's up, bro? I'm gonna turn it up.
Thomas Hickey?
Who's asking?
Haytham Kenway.
Is that supposed to mean something?
Show some respect, boy. Peace, Charles. William Johnson sent us in the hopes we might expedite your search.
Don't need no expediting. Don't need none of your fancy London speak neither. I found the men that done the theft.
Then why are you just lazing around?
Figuring out how to deal with those varlets.
I have an idea.
Well, let's hear it.
I'll kill the lookout. Take up a position behind the guards. You two approach from the front. When I open fire on the group, you charge in. About the element of surprise on our side. Half will fall before they've even realized what's happened.
and he just has no complaint. Press Y to shoot. Oh!
Position. But wait for me to take the first shot.
Okay, I need to get up there. How did no one hear that? That was like the sound of a massive... whatever. Don't worry about the logic. But that was like the sound of a cannonball firing. Oh. Pick up weapon.
Go on now, or you make us mad.
Okay. Wait a minute. Can I like... Oh, I have to shoot them. Okay, I shall shoot him. Bang! Oh, RB to reload. Press RB to I don't know. Press RB. Pick up weapon. Press RB to reload. Okay. I think I sneak on over there. Yeah. What the? No! I don't want any of that! Leave me alone! Bye! Get away! Go away! No, thank you. No, thank you. Got him. Nah! How are you all going? How are you guys going to be able to defeat me? I'm kicking your aces! Haha! Get wrecked. Whoa! No, thank you. No, thank you, Spankyton. I'm awesome.
Fall back! Fall back! We'll be safe inside!
Will you?
What now?
We climb.
We can blow the door with those. Go on, shoot them.
Wait, what? Oh! Red barrels. Alright. Shoot them. Haha. That. Awesome. Alright, let's get my Assassin's Creed blade out.
Guess they wasn't so safe inside after all.
Let's climb the ladder. Oh. It's weird, because when I want to climb the ladder, sometimes it doesn't climb the ladder.
Bet this'll fetch a pretty penny.
Save your looting for after we found Johnson's research.
Yes, master.
We found it! I was just being an idiot. Oh, they
Lay
shot
down
me.
your weapons, and I'll consider letting you live.
I make you the same offer. We've no quarrel. I only wish to return this chest to its rightful owner.
Nothing rifle about Mr. Johnson.
I won't ask again.
We both have a gun.
Agreed.
Oh no, it's a standoff. Bang! Hell yeah. Ow. 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 That's not a good thing to do, mister. Die. Die. You do not stab me. I stab you. Now what?
Your kind has no need for books and maps. Who put you up to this?
Never seen a person. It's always been dead drops and letters. But they always pay, so we do the jobs.
Well, those days are done. Tell your masters I said as much.
Who should I say you are?
You don't? They'll know.
Okay. They'll need to know my name.
This one's got some shot on him. You might want to be grabbing it on account of your pistol being parched.
Alright. Ooh, the same looting effect.
Dragon then. I need a drink.
The same looting effect, so I can loot all these guys. Oh, that's awesome. I think I'm just gonna keep my Assassin's Creed thing on me. I don't want to use my sword just yet, because I want to stay amazed.
We've company.
Don't let go of the chest, Charles. We'll take care of this rabble.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Haha, you're dead. Whoa! Dead. Dead.
Running around.
Ah, frick! 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 Yeah! Nice job.
Wait, them bodies is sure to have loot on them. Would be a shame to let it all go to waste. Mr. Johnson's gonna need to double my pay after all this if he expects me to keep at his side.
Yep. Okay. That's nice. Let's just get this stuff to Mr. Johnson. Oh my god, 11 minutes have already gone by.
There you are.
My thanks, Master Kenway. Now, tell me what it is you need.
The images on this amulet, are they familiar to you? Perhaps one of the tribes has shown you something similar.
It appears Kanyan Gahaga in origin.
Can you trace it to a specific location? I need to know where it came from.
We shall see.
With my research returned, perhaps. Let me see what I can do.
Yeah.
Thomas,
What?
rent yourself a room. And a bath as well. I suspect we'll be here for a while.
Yeah. You guys are gonna be researching for a very long time. Now what? Sequence 2 is already done. Oh my god, I'm gonna get a boat and lightning fast. If it's at sequence 3, I'm gonna get a boat lightning fast. Oh yeah, I tried out these tiny little games, and I won one game of it. But apart from that, nothing else. Alright, so there seems to be some people to talk to. I do not know if they're upstairs or downstairs. Oh, I can talk to those two individually. Okay, that's nice. I'm not gonna talk to you yet. I'm gonna talk to T. McBumbag here. Now it's time to talk to this guy for a new mission. Next on the list. That's what the mission's called. Next on the list.
Good evening, gentlemen.
Charming.
Oh, peace, Charles. He'll grow on you.
Oi! Catherine, you fussock! Get back here! Daddy needs a drink.
Oh, he's drunk.
How fares the search?
Maths and maps are not cutting it.
What are your local contacts?
We'll need to earn their trust before they'll share what they know.
I've an idea on how we might be affecting that. There's a man who's taken to enslaving natives. Rescue them, and they'll owe us.
Okay.
Do
Okay.
you know where they're being held?
Afraid not.
Okay.
Benjamin Church will.
Seriously,
He's a finder and a fixer.
get a
He's also
room.
on your list. And there I was, wondering whom I might solicit next. Well done.
Get a room, seriously. Oh, now I get to talk to all of them. Oh, this is gonna be a long video. Run around. Okay. How did you teleport from in there to out here? You're Slenderman, Charles. When do I get the Assassin's Creed hood? I want it back. So bad. He's not Helm. Helm. Oh! Charles! Charles, you badass. Charles, you badass. Now here comes my controlling.
Seems like we're not the only ones looking for Mr. Church.
Damn it, it could be anywhere. What do we do?
We find him.
Something was hidden behind the painting, the old trick.
Come. I'll show you how.
Alright, so why did I take out a piece of the painting? Are you kidding me? It takes forever for me to walk. Orange markers indicate those targets must not kill. Okay.
Should we write a slam, do you think?
Not our business to meddle. Even if we've the best of intentions.
A new bylaw will enforce
But
annual
have you seen it? They sure carry on like that, and during the day, no less.
Oh!
The Boston Weekly Advertiser. A penny well
When a SMM yellow marker has appeared. Oh, I need to find some move in between the citizens. I can't.
Scandalous behavior from one who aims to be a surgeon. Not likely if he keeps up such carousing.
Truly a shameful display. Benjamin's parents would be mortified.
Okay.
Send someone to retrieve him before he damages his reputation beyond repair.
They stumbled off to the northeast, no doubt in search of a tavern or some other place of ill repute.
Start questioning those on the street. I'm headed for higher ground.
Okay. You're mapping me. Okay. So while he's off to question people, I need to get up high. Okay. That'll be easy. This is Assassin's Creed. I can literally just climb up everything. Especially now that I can climb up trees. As I learned in the multiplayer. Yes, I have played the multiplayer like I said in the last video. And the multiplayer is actually a whole lot better. I found a character that I really like. The Rubber. He's such my personality. No, ho, ho, ho. Thank you. Alright. How do I sneak up on you? Do I just walk up? Dead. 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 Oh my god, I need to get up there. Oh, this is gonna be a long walk. Whoa, okay. I hear birds. Don't look down. Synchronize. Told ya. Check out that. Whoa. Oh my god, that looks awesome.
Time to take a listen. With luck, one of those people knows what became of Benjamin.
Aim for the haystack.
walk in offers you the finest
Use clues to locate your target.
Careful. The place is well guarded. We need to slip past them.
Okay. Wait. Actually, no, follow. Follow me. Follow me, please. This place is well guarded. We need to slip past them. Okay, open door.
I'll have to find the key. Wait here.
How am I supposed to find the key? While standing near... Hold B while standing near a target to pickpocket. Stealing your stuff. Stealing all of your stuff. Okay, now let's assassinate him. He will never know.
I just can't stay out of trouble.
No, thank you. You do not know where I am. You have no clue what you're doing. Okay. Ah, shit, please tell me that you cannot see me. Oh my god, how does that work? Oh my god, the fighting things that I have to do is awesome. I need to steal off of him? How do I steal off of him? Let's try door.
Here we are then.
Did I get the key? Oh my god, I suck at this. It is so hard to sneak around.
Why must you always make these things so difficult, Benjamin? Merely provide me with recompense, and all shall be forgiven.
I'll not pay for protection I don't need.
Clearly, you do require protection. Else we wouldn't be here. How very gauche. Now, what shall we do about our guest? Maybe I'll take his hands, put an end to his surgery. Maybe I'll take his tongue, put an end to his waggling. Or maybe I'll take his cock, put an end to his fucking us.
Okay.
So many options. I can't possibly decide. Take all three.
Now, hold a moment. Perhaps I was hasty in refusing you earlier.
I'm so very sorry, Benjamin. But that door has closed.
Be reasonable, Silas.
I rather think I was. But you took advantage of my generosity. I won't be made a fool a second time.
Alright, some sort of good cop, bad cop.
I fear I lack the constitution to bear witness to such barbarism. Come find me when you're finished, Cutter.
You'll regret this, Silas. Do you hear me? I'll have your head.
No. I rather think you won't.
Alright, let's kill him.
A little wipe and no more in. How's that sound, Mr. Church? At least
Alright, here's an idea. Here's an idea. Tell me how I do this.
there. Make myself a nice kiss. Just like all good artists. Hold still a minute.
Dead. Okay, that's the first time I actually succeeded in sneaking.
Who are you?
Nathan Kenway, at your service.
I don't understand. Why are you here?
Walk with me, Mr. Church, and all will be explained.
Yay! Okay. Sequence 2, the surgeon. Done. I couldn't complete that one. I could not sneak. I don't know how I sneak. How on earth do you sneak in this game? Sorry, what? Oh, mission's there. Okay, that's nice. Through the door.
Johnson's told me what you intend. As it happens, the man who held me is the same one that you seek. His name is Silas Thatcher.
That fancy lad is our slaver.
Don't let his velvet tongue deceive you. A crueler and more vicious creature I've never known.
What can you tell me of his operation?
He hosts at least 100 men, more than half of whom are redcoats.
All this for some slaves?
Hardly. The man's a commander in the king's troop, in charge of the Southgate fort.
Okay.
We need to find a way inside. Let me think on it.
In the meantime, I'll attend to our final recruit.
John Pitcairn's our man. I'll take you to him.
Okay. So... okay. Maybe I was being a little... Okay, we got somebody called the Soldier that we're gonna go and get.
State your business.
New recruit.
More kindling for the pyre, eh? Well, go on then.
See ya, Stumpy Nose! So...
Did you forget, sir? My commission is with General Brad. When I'm not attending to you, of course.
How did I just all of a sudden get 6 bullets? Oh, okay, never mind. I started to get a little bit confused with that.
Fool! Your acts are treacherous. Give me one good reason. I shouldn't kill you right now.
Alright, so now we
Were
talk...
you planning to announce yourself, or did you hope my men wouldn't notice your arrival? If you'll allow me to explain. By all means. I should like very much to hear this. I have not deserted, sir. I am here under Commander Amherst's orders. Show me a letter bearing his seal, and you might be spared the gallows. I have no such thing. The nature of my work, sir.
It's the sort of thing best not put to paper.
Haytham.
General Braddock.
I suppose I shouldn't be surprised. Wolves often travel in packs.
Master Pitcairn won't be here for but a few weeks. I shall return him to his proper post once our work is finished.
The devil's work, no doubt. It's bad enough my superiors have insisted I grant you use of Charles. But they said nothing about this traitor. You'll not have him.
Edward, listen to reason.
We're done here. See these gentlemen out.
Or should I kill that dude right there? And point my hidden blade at your eye. Now what?
Well, that didn't go as I expected.
And to think I used to call him brother.
What now? They'll chase us off if we try and return.
We're done with this camp. As luck would have it, so are they.
Come along.
Oh, are we gonna blow up the camp?
What are you planning? To steal Master Pitcairn.
What? You'll see. Now, when I give the signal, you're to distract Braddock's patrol and lure them into a dead end.
Yeah, nice. Go! Distract them.
Oi! You thieves and scoundrels, one and all! Fire on you and your false war!
Alright, now run, Charles. Run!
After him!
Run! Run! Go! Charles, I wish you luck. Be an assassin. Follow Lee's ambush. Patrol. Sorry, what? So I have to follow... Oh, no.
Unhand him, Edward.
You again.
Let us go. And John Pitcairn with us.
I will not have my authority challenged.
Nor I.
Alright.
Put them all in chains.
I shall fight ye. I shall fight thee. This time I'm using my sword. Whoa, hey. That's not how this is gonna go. I'm getting my sword. Haha, gotcha. Haha, this is awesome. So much fighting. Got him. Got him. He's literally lying there on the floor.
Today because you were once my brother, and a better man than this. Should our paths ever cross again, all debts will be forgotten.
You're free now, John.
And when you find yourself lying... I assume you've good reason for causing all this madness. What is it you require of me?
I'll explain everything on the way.
So yeah, he's just talking to himself and we don't even care. We're gonna have to end the video. No. But I wanted to get a boat in this episode. Ah, damn it. I received a new email. Damn it. Alright, let's get up there and talk to people's... Alright. Infiltrating Southgate. South Park? Nah.
Gentlemen, I believe I found a solution to our problem. Or rather, Odysseus has.
How do you? Are you new guy?
The Greek hero, you lobcock. Allow me to explain. We enter Silas' fort, under the pretext of kinship. Once inside, we spring our trap, free the captives, and kill the slaver.
Dodgy, dodgy. I like it.
Then, let us begin. First, we need to find ourselves a convoy.
Alright. Well, I want to save this epicness for the next video. Oh, the slaves are... Oh, actually, I think I might do the mission and then...
Convoy should be here soon. We'll attack on my signal. Understood, sir.
Alright, I think I might do the mission.
If we time this right, we can catch them all unawares.
Let's do this. Alright, so now I need to sneak up on the convoy. Pick up weapon. Got it. Alright, so who should I attack? I think I should probably attack one of the dudes behind.
What the hell is this? 1,000 pounds, sir. Seen all of your life.
Reload!
He's getting away! He's right now.
Let's go! I shall fight! I shall fight with thee! Die! Yay! Go! Got him! We did it! I'm getting myself an army.
Charles, you and Williams serve as vanguard. Let no man reach us.
What about me?
You and John will follow from a distance and keep watch over us. I'll signal you when I have need of your services. We're here to help you, along with those held inside Southgate Fort.
Free me.
Not until we're inside the gate. I can't chance an inspection of the gate going wrong. I'll see you safe. You have my word.
My word. And because of the game, I have to actually win, so...
Do you know anything of Silas' operation?
And attack! Go! Kill them all! Kill them all dead. You killed them dead. Good job. Now what?
All clear.
You killed them dead. Let's keep going. Kill them all dead. Alright. Halt!
Halt!
Evening, gentlemen.
State your business.
Delivery for Silas.
Go on.
Let's go. I'm going to deliver him a hidden blade. Here you go.
See? I'm freeing you just as I said I would. Now, if you'll allow me to explain.
And she runs off.
Let her go.
She'll give us away.
No, she won't.
What's the plan?
Free the captives and avoid detection. What of Silas?
We kill him.
He dies.
Okay, guys. This is going to be difficult. Alright, so... Officers are highlighted. Oh, so we need to kill, officers.
Greetings. How fares the watch? Who are you? Thomas Smith, newly recruited. Arrived from London just last week.
They said stop slouching.
Who are you to tell me what to do?
Good friend of Mr.
I see. My apologies.
Ah, damn it, he's gonna come my way. I know that these officers... Oh no! That's bad! Frick! What are you doing? Stop that, Giselle. Oh no, you do not turn around! That's nothing that you do! Come on, come on, come on! Just get there, get there! You're dead! Oh my god, thank you. Okay, I think I should probably get my hidden blade out. It's way more safe than doing that. Free the captives. Okay. There. Run. Yeah, sneak off. Go. Sneaky. Sneaky. Oh, I need to get up there. How am I supposed to get up there without getting detected?
Oi, fellas. Apologies for me tardiness. Carter had me working late. You know Carter? Well, who do you think got me this post? We like brothers, me and him. Now, what did Silas want us doing? We're to rough up the prisoners. Relieve them of their fines. I hear some of them carry real silver.
Oh no, that was close. Oh no!
No, keep clear of the merchandise. Don't speak of it either. Watch the gates and control the ground.
Alright, time to kill this guy.
I don't know. Sometimes I wonder what we
Alright, I stay hidden in here and he will not see me. Or he should not see me. Kill him. How did they not see that? Okay. Free the captives. Saved you. Now I need to somehow get onto the ship. Alright. Last job. Get to the ship. I need to get down. Seriously. People will think that I'm weird if I just start climbing all over everything. Whoa. Okay. There's a dude. Need to whistle. Whistling to get his attention. Come on, come over here. Gotcha! What? Oh, come on! Ah, damn it. Alright, let's try that again. Somehow, I need to... God damn it.
signal when you're ready to strike.
So now that I know what I need to do... So separate everybody. Okay, I've actually got a plan this time. I'm hanging on the side of the boat. When that captain comes back, I can chuck him off the side of the boat, and then no one shall suspect a thing. As long as nobody's looking my way. Because that would suck. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You're dead. And nobody noticed a thing. Got him. Okay, free the captives. Done. Did it. Do I have to kill everybody that's on the boat? And then we can sail off into the sunset and be happy. Yes! I did it! Oh my god.
An hour of quiet was all I asked. Instead, I'm awakened not 10 minutes later by this cacophonous madness. I expect an explanation, and it had best be good. How? How did this happen? My precious merchandise set free! It's unacceptable! Rest assured, I'll have the heads of those responsible, but first we clean up this mess!
Yeah! You guys clean up while I go and celebrate.
Seal the fort, kill any who try to escape. I don't care if they be one of us or one of them. To approach the gate is to be made a corpse. Am I understood?
Okay, do not approach the gate. Unless assured that you can kill them. Oh yeah, I cannot leave yet until I kill that guy. Whoa, no, okay. Whoa, no. Press A. Yes, kill him! You idiots! You idiots! You absolute idiots! Kill him dead! You're dead, my friend! Frick! Come on.
Who are you? Name's Haytham Kenway. You don't know me, but I believe the two of you are well acquainted.
I made a promise to you, Cyrus. One I intend to keep.
He is dead, my friend! So now what? What will they do without their commander? Good job, slave! Slaves, you're gone! Ah. The slaves are free! Ah, she smiled for once.
What happens now? We wait. But not for very long, I suspect.
I did it! I got an achievement, Mystery Guest. Complete sequence 1 and 2! I am finally at sequence 3! But I cannot do the boat thing in this memory now. I can't do the boat thing now! I can't do it! I have to wait next time. I have to go into
It's been
the...
several weeks now since we freed the Mohawk prisoners from captivity. I had hoped their leader might make contact, but there's been only silence. My men grow restless. They want to know what comes next, and I do not have an answer. Lee alone remains active, pursuing leads, however slight. He stalks the city streets and scouts the bordering woods, hopeful that he might make contact with one of those we saved. There was a woman there that night. It was she who helped the others to safety. If we can find her, I believe I'll have my answers. So, I watch and wait, hopeful that my true mission might finally begin.
Yay! Now do the final cutscenes and I can end the video. Or like, construct the world. No way! It's actually snowing! Oh my god, it's snowing! That never happens in an Assassin's Creed game! Oh my god! Okay, so while this game is saving, I have to end the video. I cannot do anything else, so... Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked it, hit that like button like the Assassin's Creed guy right here. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button to see more awesome GameStar like Assassin's Creed 3. I'm absolutely loving this game. I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I shall see all of you in my next video as always.